I'm Zuapa. I'm the youth manager for the Mentabuzz team and the Fluid team at the Kitty Innocent Youth Science Center at the Science Museum. The Mentabuzz team consists of, well, now we're down to 6, but we'll be up to 10 youth again, high school students from grade 9 to 12. And what they do is there's a website, the Science Buzz website that is part of the Science Museum website. What the Science Buzz website is, it's a online submission by anybody who has some current event about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, events that are going on in the community, in the world, and all of these are posted up daily about different little happenings that are happening. So with different topics that the youth came up with, we use Scratch and SAM animation to enhance the writing. Instead of just writing about the topic, we end up having some video made about it, or using Scratch, you use animation to kind of tell more about it, animation to create a game about it, and such, to add on to their post. So what we did is that we couldn't just post a video up into Science Buzz, but we use YouTube as the link to it. And so we have the posting, and then you're like, oh, take a look at our video that we made on YouTube. And so when they go into there, they're on the Science Buzz web page or account that they can look up all the other videos that we have been creating for that. So it has, for this team specifically, it has really helped and benefit what we're doing. All of the teams, including Mentabuzz, has a named site, and so it's a network for just the teams, just the youth and I, to connect with each other, to reflect and write about what they have been up to, what was challenging, and what was fun about different activities that we have done within the team.
I use Name to write out my thoughts to my supervisor, and so that she can understand what we're thinking and what we know so far in the Mentabuzz group. I'm not nervous, and I could write what I want to write in there, and it just makes me feel comfortable.
They are able to express whatever they want on that site, and not only that, but to communicate with their teammates through that sites without me being there, and they do that from home. So it's great that they are spending times outside of work to do or to enhance their pages and such. So there hasn't been much support besides the part that's saying, oh, you should, take a look and research it. But for like the training and such like that, I actually didn't have a lot of training in that. And the thing is that it was hard to train these youth on how to upload it. But the great thing is that we have youth who already have account on these these social network sites and such, that they are able to like, oh, this is how you do it.
I just figured things out by myself, like just read it carefully, then you'll know how to use it.
I didn't have to worry so much about, okay, you don't know what to do or such like that. It's more of them reading up on what people have said or suggest to do, and that's where they are able to put things online. Some of the challenges with youth and running to these tools is when they get stuck, and I get stuck, we don't know where to turn to, and it's sometimes hard to just do the research. And how do I can't edit my frames. How do I go and edit my frame, or into like SAM animation? And that was a challenge, because I'm like, well, figure it out. And the thing is, I don't know how to do it. They don't know how to do it, and it's hard to connect with the people who does this program, and they're like, oh, we'll get back to you. And then it takes a long time. That's a challenge, because we all have to wait to figure out what's the next step and how to solve the problem. And so that's always a challenge. I think it's been really great. I've been trying to get another team, the Fluid team, which doesn't do much with computer or web 2.0 or social networking as much as this team. And it's been really beneficial to them, because they're learning something that they can use outside of work. The kids are more confident and using these tools. And so, I mean, like some of the youth at first they didn't know how to use Scratch, and now they do, and they, or like using SAM animation, they're able just to do it. And I feel like they will hopefully get a better sense of the bigger, or more of the advanced software, like such as Flash. We only download the free stuff that we can get, free software that we're able to get. For instance, Flash isn't a software that we can get for free. But the thing is, some of the stuff that we're using are really similar to the more advanced softwares, and so in a sense they're more competent in it, and they're able to familiarize themselves probably faster with those programs.